Welcome, Harry and Harry.
What are we growing here?
Plants.
And what are you watering right now?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. And what else do we have here? What are these?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. And what are we planting today?
Flowers.
Flowers. Dump the wheelbarrow.
Yep.
Fill it back up.
By my nose.
Gonna help plant some flowers today.
Help me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Backwards. And come over here. And look in that dirt.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go. 2 ducks.
Okay, you ready to dig?
Yep. Come on, you ready to dig this? Bye.
Let's dig. Scoop it up. And dump it out.
And then a roof.
That's a big scoop.
Yep. That should not be a big hoop.
That's good. Go ahead, put it in. A little more in there.
Yep.
Okay.
That's heavy. There we go. Yeah.
What do we need to do now?
Make it.
Spread the dirt?
Yep.
Make a hole in the dirt.
Mom, I think we need a roof of it. That pack it down.
Okay. Now give it a little twist. Watering can and put a little bit of water. Put the flower in. Okay.
Put it in the hole.
Yep. Good job. Good
There.
job.
Mommy, we don't roof of it. Mommy done, I hate that.
Stop. Good job. Okay, get your flower.
Where? Yeah?
Yep.
And put it right in. Doing it. There we go. Mommy got this. Come on. Mommy, how high? Mom, stand up on this side.
What are you trying to get?
The ball.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. I'm back here. Ah. Wow. Green coming down.
We got all the flowers planted. Now we are driving through the creek. We went to see some elk and bison. We finished off the day with some ice cream. Oh my goodness. Come over here. That doesn't look like a small. That's a really big ice cream cone. No, that's for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.